Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your HONOR Magic4 Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here find the Firefox app and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here you can customize it. So choose a theme, pick your toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up. You can also read the privacy notice. When it's done, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.